Hello and welcome to the video edition of collegedekho.com, an institution dedicated to creating tomorrow's leaders. Today, we are at one of the most progressive engineering and management institutes in South India, the HKBK College of Engineering, Bangalore. With 20 years of excellence in the field of education, HKBK College of Engineering has been featured in the Great Indian Institutes in Forbes magazine 2018. It has also been ranked 22nd Best Engineering College in India by CSR GHRDC Engineering Colleges Survey and ranked as top 7th Best Engineering College in Karnataka by Silicon India.
We are 22-year-old institutions imparting quality educations over a period of time. We have more than 9,000 graduates across India. We at HKBK are constantly thriving on helping and empowering students to build desire on how to achieve excellence.
With the objective to achieve academic excellence through in-depth knowledge in science, engineering and technology and innovation in teaching, HKBK strives to produce outstanding professionals catering to the current industry needs.
Education is not only just to come college and getting a degree. It's about the awareness of the right knowledge and skills, which is done in HKBK. Our college focuses on the overall development of the students and not just prepare for the exams. Holistic education is the need of the hour, and HKBK is supporting that.
The course pedagogy at HKBK is an amalgamation of theory and practical, which includes alternative teaching methodologies.
We provide to our students is far different from the normal lecturing process. We give them new way of teaching like student development programs. There are a lot of student development programs that we conduct throughout the semester. Student development programs are workshops that we conduct for 2 days, 3 days or 5 days for that matter, where experts come and give their opinion about the technology and they teach them new methods of how to use the technologies. Apart from this, we also have Google Classrooms where we upload notes which students can utilize. We conduct webinars where the students can interact with the faculty.
The quality of education at HKBK has earned them accreditations and affiliations that is a standing testimony to the dedication to education.
An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Why have I chose this college? Because our college, the HKBK College of Engineering, is affiliated under VTU. It is NBA accredited, and the NBA accredited colleges are recognized all over the world.
Programs offered at HKBK College of Engineering include undergraduate courses, computer science engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, information science and engineering, and basic science. Degree courses include BBA, BCA, and BCom. Postgraduate courses include MBA and doctoral courses and research. Besides the stellar academic pedagogy, institute industry interaction, mentoring, innovation of students and research are some of the USPs of HKBK College of Engineering. Boasting of an infrastructure that is conducive to the students' holistic development like transport, library, residence, gymnasium and sports, HKBK also ensures that students are given the platform to hone their hobbies and skills.
Fun aspects at HKBK College. HKBK does many of the cultural events like Calypso, in which dance, fashion show are performed. Coming to the outdoor, we have cricket, kabaddi, football, basketball, and also like Melam and Ethnic Day.
The spacious hostels in HKBK campus providing a very comfortable stay to all students, and it provides many facilities like 24/7 water and power supplies. I am from Gujarat and I feel very safe in HKBK hostel.
With 8,000 plus brilliant alumni placed in Fortune 500 companies, MNCs and leading corporates, tie up with MSME Government of India to establish startups, and up to 100% scholarship for meritorious students from KSET, look nowhere. Join HKBK College of Engineering, Bangalore today.
At HKBK, our emphasis has been on teamwork, dedication, discipline, and hard work. And my message to students of future generations, future of a country is strive for progress and not for perfection.
HKBK Group of Institution Bangalore Authorized Admission Office, shop number F18, Asian Business Center, Gulbarga. Contact 8123124648.